Hey everybody, welcome to Big Valley Living. I'm Michelle. We're getting ready to take advantage of a really good avocado sale here in our area. And we still have 7 left from the 10 that I bought a couple days ago. So what better thing to do than to make some guacamole so that we can have a nice taco salad for dinner and then snacks for a couple of extra days. So I'm just going to show you real quick how we make it in our house, and hopefully it will inspire you to give it a shot one of these days. So I've already chopped up 1 bundle of cilantro. I know some people cannot tolerate it and do not like it, so if you can't, don't worry about it. I've already kind of rolled 2 limes and got those halved. I have some small cloves of garlic here. Hopefully it's going to end up being about a tablespoon, but I may get more. And then we have our 7 avocados. So for right now, I'm just going to chop up my garlic. Let's see if we can do this on camera. So technically you should be able to do this, and look at that. The short end of that took that right out the pit. That's pretty darn cool, guys. I've never actually done that because the pits usually come out pretty simply, but it was worth giving it a shot to show you. And I'll do that again so you can see. I'm going to take the short end, boom, peeled it right out. Now, we are going to be saving some of this guacamole for tomorrow and the next day, and I'll show you when I get it all ready, but we're going to save a couple of pits, because if you put a pit in the actual guacamole and then cover it with some plastic cling wrap and make it so there's no air, you won't get that brown corroded look. So even if you're going to have like an afternoon thing, throw a pit in there and it will help to keep some of the brown from encroaching. Now I'm going to take this mix and masher, and this will make pretty quick work of it. Crush this garlic real quickly. There we go. You've all seen me do this before. You don't necessarily have to peel the garlic cloves here, but I do because I like to get as much of the garlic into my recipe as I can. We don't mind big chunks, so I'm just putting those in there as a bonus. And that's my last one. Now, what I do at the end is take the blunt side of your knife and just scrape it off of there. And there is a tool that you can use that actually comes with that. Let me just pull it out of the jar here. That will just, oops, you just put it on here and it will align and push what's inside right back out. And all you gotta do is just grab it with your finger if you want to. Now I'm gonna squeeze the lime in there. These limes aren't overly juicy, so I am going to go ahead and put both of them in there. Look at that. And it's already going into the guacamole, so. And you know what I like to do with leftover limes is throw them into some water and put them into the refrigerator and enjoy lime water for a few days. Just make sure that you clean the skins off. Okay, now we're going to come back with our mix and masher. Alright, so we do like a little bit of added spice in ours. I'm going to go with about a teaspoon of chili powder, just regular chili powder. A little bit more than that. There we go. A half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Love cumin, love the smoky flavor of it, so I'm going to go with about 2 teaspoons of cumin. I'm going to throw just a little bit of paprika in here. You could throw smoked paprika in there, but since I have cumin and it has a smoky flavor, I'm going to go with that and call it good. You don't need a whole lot of the spices, but they do make a big difference. And after we get all this put together, I'm actually going to put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour to let the flavors marry. Now we're going to put the cilantro in. And we like cilantro. We actually use it in a 50-50 mix when we make tacos. with the lettuce of our choice. So if you do not like it, don't use it. If this is too much for you, by all means, you know, flavor it your way, because it is it's your guacamole, right? All right, just get myself a little tool here to fold it in. Okay, oh god, this is really smelling very, very citrusy. Smells good. All right, now, at this point, I'm just going to go ahead. We're going to put our 2 pits in there. Make sure it stays nice. Going to get some plastic wrap. And we are going to tuck this right on into the refrigerator while we get everything else for our nachos ready. That is really how you want to cover your guacamole to keep it from oxidizing. Into the refrigerator for an hour. Bring it back out and enjoy. See you later, everybody. Thanks for stopping by Big Valley. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified for future videos. Have a great day. Be kind.